Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Peugeot Boxer panel van. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty, and we also applied a triple layer of Gearbox Nanocoat over the paint to make sure no cheese-up, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar comes painted in silver in the L3 H3 configuration. It's fitted with electrically adjustable and heated mirrors, rear parking sensors and barn-style opening doors. And over to the curbside, you have the sliding door as usual. At the back, the vehicle is fitted with a full metal bulkhead and 8 anchorage points over the floor line. Size-wise, it's 142 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 222 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, and then an extensive 360 centimeters of fully usable floor space. The cabin is in a 3-seat configuration with a fully independent and adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support adjustment and a height adjustable armrest. The sides of the seat are finished in leather with fabric inserts on the front and the center. The 2-passenger bench is equipped with a tray table with a useful clip holder and 2 sizes cup holders. And then you have some more storage solutions over the passenger side with a locked glove box on top of the dashboard as well. You have a 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel, which is adjustable in depth and suits the controls for the infotainment on the left-hand side and trip computer and call rejection on the right-hand side. The cruise control has a stalk just behind the steering wheel on the left-hand side, and then you have a cluster to control the trip computer and the height of the beam. Over the driver armrest, you can find the controls for the power windows and power mirrors. And then you have the infotainment unit, which is a Peugeot NAC Connect. It's fitted with navigation powered by TomTom, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto through the USB cable, and the AB radio with RDS fallback. Underneath you can find the controls for the air conditioning, plus the toggles for the heated mirrors, center locking unit and traction control. And then you have some more storage space just underneath the center console with 2 cup holders and a parcel shelf. The vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Peugeot Boxer panel van in L3 H3 configuration. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.